Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to back up your Smart Launcher settings, and I'm going to show you how to restore the settings on another device so that you won't have to do all the settings again on the other device. Okay, so to get started, long press an empty space when you head to your home screen. Long press and then just swipe up so you get to see the backup option here. Tap it, and then the first thing you need to do is to select a backup folder. So tap select backup folder, tap continue. It's going to open your file manager, and what I would recommend you do is create a new folder. So for this tutorial I'll create a new one and call it SL. SL means Smart Launcher. Tap OK, then tap use this folder. Finally tap allow, and it's going to bring you back here. So tap create new backup, and it's going to ask you if you want to give the backup a name. You don't have to do this. It has automatically generated a name for you called backup 001. But if you want to give it a name, you can by tapping here and typing the name you want. But for me, I don't want to do that, so I'll just tap continue. And as you can see, the backup has been created. And if I want, I can create a new one by tapping on this button. So how do you transfer the backup files? So to transfer the backup file, there are so many methods you can use, but I've made a video showing you how to transfer files between Android devices. So you can go ahead and use that method. But then to access the file, use any file manager you want. I'll be using CX File Explorer for this. Head over to your internal storage, and you should see the SL folder we created. Tap it, and this is the backup file. So you need to send this file. You can send it via Bluetooth if you want, but this is the file you need to send to the other device. So after sending it to the other device, on the other device, now press an empty space, swipe up, then go to backup. It may ask you to select a folder, so select the folder where this file was sent to. You can also tap here, and then you tap select backup folder, and then look for where the file is. So for me, this is the file. I'll tap use this folder, allow, and I should see the backup file, and then I'll just tap it to apply it. I'll tap OK, and that's it. After doing so, you'll have all your settings restored on the other device. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.